Which Indian city became the first to deploy solar powered algae trees to combat urban air pollution? The answer is in Indore. Recently, in Indore, these artificially developed algae trees were developed and they have been arranged in Indore. They use microalgae based carbon capture technology to capture atmospheric carbon dioxide and release oxygen through photosynthesis. The algal tree uses solar energy for its functioning. They also help in reducing PM 2.5 particles. Okay, the technology was developed by Mushroom World Group. Imidazolin resistant, IMI resistant mustard hybrids during the 2026 Rabi season were developed to combat the parasite we named. Answer is Orabanki. Orabanki is a complete root parasite which attacks on mustard. Actually, in India, mustard accounts for 20 to 25% of oilseed production. But because of the Orabanki, the production of oilseed of mustard has been drastically reduced. So scientists have developed imidazolin resistant mustard crops. Actually, normal mustard plants have been killed by imidazolins. But whenever these IMI resistant mustards have been used, they automatically inhibit the process of acetolactate synthase and this mustard plant will grow and Orabanki will be died. Hence, mustard production will be increased. So, if you look at the actual functioning, imidazolin resistance in mustard. Actually, imidazopyr, imazox, imizopic are imidazolin herbicides. So, whenever mustard plants are sprayed with these herbicides, basically they are killed. But this resistance was developed in mustard by inhibiting the process of acetolactate synthase. Actually, these imidazolins act on acetolactate synthase where they stop the functioning of formation of branched chain amino acids and indirectly stop the formation of proteins and hence plant will be killed. But in imidazolin resistance, what happens? This action of imidazolins on acetolactate synthase will be curbed and automatically plant will survive and it will grow. But this process have been not possible in Orabanki. Hence Orabanki will be killed and mustard will be survived and hence automatically the production of mustard will be increased. Which disease considered currently the biggest threat to global banana production as discussed in 2026 reports? The answer is Panama disease of strain TR4. Actually, this Panama disease is caused by Fusarium oxysporum. Recently, this has become a biggest threat in banana production. If you look at the symptoms externally, it causes irregular yellowing of margins of older leaves and later they will turn into brown and plant will be dried out. This can be clearly visible externally when this plant of banana attacked with Panama disease TR4 strain. Actually, this is causing devastating on Cavendish varieties. So, look at for this symptom and if it is possible, go for preventive measures. Which country started zero price environmental award? The answer is India. India started this zero price environmental award for better performing NGOs, startup companies, or any other company which is performing better in reducing environmental pollution. So it is even awarded 5 crore prize money for this award. In which state Asia's largest tulip garden located? The answer is Srinagar. Next question. Tribal millet based food menu Araku Kauni was launched in which state? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. New blind groundwater fish species Gitchak Nakana discovered in which state? The answer is Assam. What is blind groundwater fish? Simply blind water groundfish means it doesn't have eyes and it will completely live in dark. It will not live in light, it will completely live in dark conditions. It was recently found in Assam while they are digging a well, they have found this species which is about 2 centimeter long. Next question. World Milk Day was observed on which date? That is June 1st. So it was launched by FAO in 2001. FAO headquarters is in Rome, Italy, which was launched in 1945. FAO was established in 1945 in Rome, Italy. The theme for 2026 is celebrating women farmers for their role in dairy farming. Which Indian was honored as FAO Soil Farmer Hero in May 2026? The answer is only one. This guy was honored with Soil Farmer Hero by FAO. He was from Tamil Nadu who transformed 11-hectare farmland into profitable multi-crop tree-based enterprise. For this achievement, he has given the award of Soil Farmer Hero by FAO in May 2026. Next question. Maha Water Mission was launched by which ministry? The answer is Ministry of Science and Technology. This mission was launched to boost innovation and sustainable water solutions which focus on water management, drinking water, quality health or ecological health, and circular economy and climate resilience. Next question. Which initiative of Andhra Pradesh won 2026 Food Planet Prize? The answer is APCNF, Andhra Pradesh Community Based Natural Farming. This project or initiative of Andhra Pradesh has won 2026 Food Planet Prize. Next question. Which city hosts BRICS Agriculture Meeting 2026? The answer is Indore. So in this Indore declaration, government has taken up few steps like to to form to encourage regenerative agriculture, that is minimum soil disturbance, continuous living roots, and continuous soil cover. Along with this, the farmers they have focused in this meeting to raise at least four. One is to combat climate change, to form seed forums of indigenous knowledge of farmers, to form a grill network, that is to build input based and digital networks and based on artificial intelligence, and to build up digital infrastructure and seed systems which will benefit the farmers. When is World Food Safety Day observed annually? The answer for this is June 7th. Every year, June 7th is regarded as World Food Safety Day. The theme for 2026 is From Burden to Solutions, Safe Food Everywhere. Next question. Mango Magic Festival was held in which country? The answer is USA. World Pest Day observed in which date? The answer is June 6th. The theme is Defending Health Across Borders, the Global Power of Pest Management. Next question. Which state has launched last mile digital connectivity in rural areas? The project name is Project Ganga. The answer is Uttar Pradesh. This project is launched by Uttar Pradesh government to for last mile connectivity of rural areas in case of digital infrastructure and digital ideas and artificial intelligence. Tejpur lychee exported to Dubai belongs to which state? The answer is Assam. It is a GI tagged lychee fruit. It got GI tagged in 2013. APIDA helped in export of this Tejpur lime to Dubai. Project Hinichi launched by Narcotics Bureau of which state? The answer is Manipur. This Project Hinichi is a joint effort by Narcotics Control Bureau of Manipur to replace poppy farming, poppy farming with sustainable crops. Which country launched first weather monitoring satellite named Solar One? The answer is USA. Krishi Nivesh portal was launched by which ministry? Actually, this ministry portal was to encourage agri entrepreneurship and agri clinics and business in agri farming. So, this is ministry which started this Krishi Nivesh portal is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next, India's first genome edited rice varieties are Kamala and Pusa DST Rice 1. Both are India's first genome edited rice varieties. Farm to Home program launched by? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. World Environmental Day was celebrated on June 5th.